Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm working with their inks, and the transfer I'm using is Not Today. And it just simply says, I'm not adulting today. Tomorrow doesn't look good either. This is one of many really cute sayings that we have that, well, I love to put on t-shirts. Because, well, that's what I like to wear. Now, first of all, you saw me put the pad, the ink pad inside. It's sticky on one side and it serves as a blotter on the other. Now, after I get that in, this transfer, it's a silk screen transfer. It has the netting where you're going to put the ink, but it is pressure sensitive, and that's why I'm doing that with my hands, rubbing it around. I want to make sure I get a good seal so that the ink does not rub through. Now this ink, the texture is more like when you whip egg whites when they come to a peak, or a meringue. It's very smooth, easy to put on. So I'm choosing bright white for the top and the bottom. I have, I can't think of what the name of the orange is. The orange is papaya, and we have Couture teal. Now I should have used the multi-purpose tool that looks kind of like a hockey stick. It's smaller and it's firmer and it's easier to get in small, tight places. And there it is. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the ink mat and let this dry. Once it is dry, then I will heat set it. All done. So if you're liking this and want to look a little further, just go to my website, chocouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And once you're there, you can browse, shop, join, or subscribe to our monthly subscription. Love it.